Hey, this is Bob at RIVA Motorsports and Marina of the Keys. I've got your 4th of July boat. This is the 257 dual console, all right? It's a great boat. You're gonna wanna get it out on the water for the holiday. Let's go up on board and I'm gonna show you all the fireworks it has to bring with it. We're taking the caps off the engines. These are the 200 Yamahas. Dave is prepping and building his boat for you right now. You better come down here and get it. Part of our build and prep, we've got to install your batteries. That's what Dave's going to be doing today. Put the batteries in. We do have on board the power charger that you can plug into shoreline power. You'll also see this has a live well in the port app. You can do some fishing on this boat. You can entertain on this boat. This is a great multi-purpose. Again, it's a dual console Robalo. It's got the dive door on the side and then a fish box right here just below my feet. Take a look at the aft section and then let me bring you to the helm next, okay? All right, at the mid and helm section of this boat, you've got the freshwater sink. I've got a storage down here for a portable cooler. I've got storage underneath here. On the T-top, I've got map lights. I've got sound up above. I've got rod holders. Then you come a little forward, I've got a beautiful area that I can open right here. And you got a little porta potty down inside there. All your cushion storage is down inside there. I can take this area, close her up, sit down, enjoy this, get protected from the wind, and just sit back and relax. Or I can jump over to the captain's seat and I can sit here, drive it like a sports car. I got my dual binnacles. I got the largest Garmin that I could put in the center. Everything is right here. We even put the Linko Pro trim tabs on there so they can be automatic for you, all right? So check this helm area out, and when you're done, meet me at the bow. I'm sitting up here in the front of the Robalo 257 dual console. This is gonna come equipped with a windlass anchor. I've got the cushions you saw down in the storage. That's for this whole entertainment section. This boat is also equipped with a bow shade, so you put up the 4 posts, put out the shade, and you can hang out at the Sandbar and get that extra shade, which we all probably need. You gotta get down here and check out this boat. This is the one you want for the 4th of July holiday. It's blue, it's white. You need to have a great time, all right? Let's go. Give me a call. This is Bob at RIVA Motorsports, 305-451-3320.